Hi everyone, in this video I will create SSL certificates like CA certificate, and also I will show you how to decrypt the traffic, SSL traffic, with the help of private key through wireshark. So let's start. I'm enabling SSH service which runs on port number 22. So now firewall already like allowed this port now. Once I enable a service, so firewall is allowing this port. So let's connect. Okay, now you can see same interface of firewall. So OpenSSL is already installed in Pfsense. Once you install the fresh copy of Pfsense, you will find OpenSSL already there. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, I'm going to change some configuration in the config file of OpenSSL. So let's go to etc directory and SSL directory here, and you will see this file, OpenSSL config file. Let's edit this file. Okay, now in this file what you have to change is, let me leave the editor again. Let me just view this file. Okay, now okay, from here I have done already some changes. Let me show you what these are. Okay, before it was the option was no, so I changed the option to yes here in the prompt. So it will prompt me to ask few questions and I can fill it. Like if you change it to yes, then it will prompt you to ask information regarding this country name and state and organization name. So if you want to fill this form, you can fill it by editing this file, and then you can change it back to no. So it will not prompt you, so it will accept these settings which is mentioned in this file. And one more thing I have changed, that is this thing. I have changed this option to true, CA colon true. Before it was false. So I have changed it to true because Mozilla Firefox can accept the certificate if this is true. So that's what I have done. Now let's go to get private key. Okay, to create private key, I'm showing you a command here. The extension would be key, and it's 2048 bits. Okay, so this command will create the private key. Now private key has been created. Now create CA certificate and sign with this private key. Request standard X509, new request, do not encrypt output file, mentioning private key, and hash with SHA-256 using this algorithm, and days till it would be valid, 365 days I am choosing here, and output file is rootCA.pem. So now it looks good. Okay, now it prompting me and asking me to fill the details in Delhi city, Delhi. So now let's see. Now this is private key and this is root certificate. So now let's go. Okay, it is in this folder. Okay, let's go and copy these files in the root directory, no, in etc directory, and SSL, and downloading these private keys on this folder. Okay, that's it. Now we have a private key here and certificate here. Let's open Pfsense firewall. Now going there in this certificate manager and creating certificates Pfsense CA. Now open this with notepad or wordpad, copy all data. Let me open this first root certificate, copying all data here under this certificate data, and also private key here. That's it. Now going to enable the firewall, no sorry, proxy server, and choosing here this certificate, and let's start. So let's check the status of services here are okay running, and need to export the certificate. There is no previous certificate right here. Let's export here. So that's it. Now opening this Internet Explorer, checking if any previous certificate are there. This one is there, need to remove it. Okay, that's it. And need to remove the proxy settings also. Okay, it's done already. Now let's import this one. Okay, it's done now. So let's start to check websites. Now you can see Facebook is opening without any error, and Google is also opening without any error. And check the certificate here, signed by Shokti1. Okay, so now let's start. Let me start wireshark here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start capturing here, and let me open the Gmail here. I'm typing this URL like suppose any email address. Let me Shok.the1 12 and then password here. So let's sign in. The password is wrong, so definitely the whole traffic is encrypted. It's not possible to see what I am capturing here, the credentials. So it is not possible to see the credentials here. If I go ahead and check the request method post, you will not find anything here regarding post. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save this whole like packets which I have captured with wireshark. Okay, let's go back. Let me save it. gmail.com. So now I will show you, I will use the private key which I have created, and I will show you how to decrypt the packet. Now let's see. So we have this packet which we have captured here, packets. Let's open. Now I have also private key here, this one. So what need to do, open wireshark, go here in the edit option, preferences, and here protocols, type SSL. In this section you will see RSA key list here. So I'm deleting this one which I have already amended here. So I'm just, what I am doing, entering the new key here. So IP address is, I'm choosing my private address like 5, and port number 443, and protocol HTTP, oops, HTTP, and key I have here in this folder, desktop, that is private key. So once I will select this and okay, apply this, then you will see here some more packets which are decrypted here. So let's go ahead and check again the post request. So now you can see there are packets here. So in this section you will find the Google account. They said that is a mail address of Google Gmail, and here you will see in the clear text ashok.diwan, the email address, username, and this is a password. So just wanted to show you how can you decrypt the traffic with private key. So you must secure your private key with passwords, and also you need to also apply physical security there, so nobody can put pen drive and can get the private key. So you need to secure, you can apply password, private key. So this way if someone would get the key, he cannot use without password, without knowing password. So that's it. In this video I wanted to show how can you use private key to decrypt SSL traffic. So thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.